Hi, welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna give you the list of top 5 gentle cleansers that your skin is going to love. These are the perfect antidotes to your harsh cleansers. If you don't know by now, then harsh cleansers can be the greatest enemy to your skin. Slowly but steadily, this can destroy your skin's barrier, resulting in dryness, dullness, acne, rashes, even premature aging. So how to tell if your cleanser is harsh or not? Very simple. Harsh cleansers would have the pH above 7, which is alkaline. This can destroy your skin's normal pH. Number 2 would be your cleanser would leave your skin super clean, which will lead to dry skin. This is not good. Number 3, your cleanser would contain harsh surfactants without the backup of moisturizing or soothing ingredients. And the results, like I told you, dull skin, dry skin, damaged skin barrier, rash, acne, premature aging. This might not happen overnight, but slowly but steadily and surely this would catch up. So please switch to gentle cleansers, because I know cleansing is very important, but you don't need to be harsh. You can choose skin friendly gentle products that can clean without the craziness, minus all this damage. All these cleansers in this video have the pH between 5 to 6. This would clean your skin effectively yet gently. Gentle cleansers are overall very good for our skin's barrier, so this might save your skin. So yeah, let's start with this list. So at number 5 we have this Moise cleanser. This could have been in a number 1 or 2, but I couldn't place this there because you cannot get it without doctor's prescription apparently, as it is written on the bottle, but I could get it without a prescription from Amazon. And the ingredients are not listed from highest to lowest concentration, so these are the things. But I really like this cleanser. My anecdotal evidence would be it worked really well on my skin. It doesn't foam at all, yet it cleanses pretty well. If you have this question that can people with oily skin use this cleanser, I mean any non-foaming cleanser, then yes, you can if you have oily skin, because sometimes people with oily skin, they over cleanse their skin. That leads to excess sebum production, even skin barrier damage. That leads to more acne and rashes. So yeah, it comes down to what your skin likes. At number 4 I have Sugandha Centella cleanser. This is their unscented version. I'd recommend you the unscented version, though fragrance in washer products can be okay, but when you have the option, then why not? It contains gentle surfactants like cocamidopropyl betaine. Then it has soothing ingredients like glycerin, panthenol, centella green tea. It creates mild foam and cleanses effectively. At number 3 I have Vilva cleanser. This is the new launch. It is quite good. The packaging is actually I like very much. Again, it has mild surfactants, skin soothing ingredients. It feels so good on the skin after washing. My skin doesn't feel dry. It creates mild foam. I have reviewed this product in details. I'm gonna leave the link down below. At number 2 I have my first love when it comes to gentle cleanser. This is Neutrogena Extra Gentle Cleanser. This is so good. It has minimal but effective ingredients list. It works just fine. It feels so creamy. It doesn't foam at all but cleanses the skin well. It just adds moisture back, as this product claims, but right now they have discontinued this product. That's why you cannot get it now. They have come up with this new version. I hope it gets available in India soon. So at number 1, finally we have the winner, my favorite, my current favorite actually. I found this recently, Cleanse Me cleanser. This is so affordable. I was shook. I got to know this from you. Thank you for recommending this to me. It has very minimal ingredients list, though I want to tell you one thing. It has less than 1% surfactant, which comes after phenoxyethanol, very gentle surfactant. So I don't think it's gonna be enough if you're wearing sunscreen makeup. So please use one first cleanser, micellar water, cleansing balm, whatever, then use this cleanser. I love this very much. I cleanse my skin actually for 2 minutes when I use this cleanser, because it has again very gentle surfactant, just one surfactant I think. And yeah, my skin feels so good. This is love. Thank you. Now I'm gonna give you some options like foam based gentle cleansers, like this one Bioderma cleanser. This is very good. Then I have this Cosrx low pH gentle cleanser. It is another very good cleanser. After that I have Requil oil free cleanser. This is again very good. And then I have this two simple cleansers. These are good. The new version of this moisturizing cleanser I got recently. I'm gonna review this soon, but so far so good. So that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. See you very soon. Bye bye.